Zuper is a critical component of our daily operations on the sales team. First and foremost, it sets the when and wheres for all of our sales staff. It shows the addresses, it lets you pull up a map so you can navigate, keeps up with the statuses and stuff for the sales team, and it's going to notify our customers when we're en route. Then we use it for our inspections, status tracking, note taking, everything. The sales reps use it for basically everything out in the field. And then as a manager on the back end, I use it for data integration, keeping up with analytics, stuff like that. One of my favorite features is actually the map tool, so I can see where everybody's at, how close they are to each other, so if I do get a call that comes in, I can figure out where my assets are and try to coordinate appropriately. We have had multiple different programs and softwares and apps that we use to do the same job that we're doing now on basically just one app. So the context switching has been reduced almost to nothing, and that has been very critical in getting these guys a little more efficient.